Hey guys, hello traders. You see me here, not on my desk. It's time for me to unleash myself from the office and yeah, go a bit out, fresh air, sun. We have wonderful weather here in Germany where I live. And so it's time for me to relax a bit before the markets in US open again after the holiday yesterday. And we had the holiday yesterday not only in USA, we had also yesterday a holiday in Great Britain. So we missed some traders in the markets, but the markets were very strong yesterday. We could see some of the currencies were rising very high. For example, the Euro US dollar was breaking out from an inverse shoulder formation in a 4-hourly chart, what is pretty bullish for the long-term chart for the next few weeks in the Euro US dollar. At the same time, the US dollar itself, it's quite weak at the moment. I'm not really sure what's the reason for this, but this is what the markets play at the moment, and so we have to play with this weakness. When you have a look to the US dollar, you can see he's going weaker and weaker, and it's not closed out that we will test the lows from, I guess it's 2018 or so. It's let's speak in numbers, not in time. I guess round about the 85 is the level what we could see. We should expect that we could see this level. And this is very crucial at the moment because the weakness in the US dollar affects a lot of FX currencies. The next one is the British pound. The pound is very strong at the moment. The economy is recovering, and how you know, the British Empire has left the EU. That means they have to interact with the Brexit and with the recovery after the COVID-19. And this is very good to see that the currency is getting stronger. The economy is in small steps growing back, and you see this on the FTSE 100 too. So check this out. Let's have a look to the FTSE 100. I did this morning in my morning show with Tickmill Germany. We had a look to the FTSE 100 and it looks quite bullish at the moment too, as well as other markets. For example, the Australian stock markets, the German stock market too. It's very bullish at the moment. We could see a breakout from a bullish flag. And this is the same what we see at the moment in the US markets. Quite bullish reactions after the holiday, before the markets opened. One thing is in my mind, might this be a trap? It's not sure if this is a trap. If not, we have a quite bullish buy signal. What we can see in the following days: higher prices, maybe new lows, not new lows, sorry for this guys. Maybe we will see some higher highs, some all-time highs in the indices. This is very important for us short-term traders. But what we should have in mind, we have this week job markets in USA. We have on Friday the non-farm payrolls. This is very crucial for the economy because of the stock market is very strong, but the job market not yet. We have around about 8 billion, no, 8 million, 8 billion. I'm not sure about the right numbers. I get 8 billion. No, we are 8 million behind the pre-COVID stage. So it's a lot of jobs to bring more into the US economy. The government will do a lot, the Fed will do a lot, but we see the inflation is coming higher and higher, and this could be a problem for the commodities too. We see the oil price came up this night. We are at the yearly high at the moment, over $68 per barrel WTI. This is very strong. The OPEC is still convinced that we will see much higher prices. The demand is high during the the stage after the recovery in the after COVID-19 stage. So we will probably see prices in the oil above the 80s, 80 US dollar. It's not unlikely that we see this. So these are a few things that I have in mind for today and for the next days, and maybe you will find some opportunities to trade with the markets at this moment. When you have any questions, just don't hesitate to follow me in my networks, ask me questions. Maybe you join me in one of my webinars that I held in Germany here at 8:30 every morning with Tickmill. And if you don't the capacity to do this, just ask me a question. My door's open. I'm looking forward for you. Thank you for a like. Thank you for being there, and have a very good and stable trading day. See you next time. Bye bye.